Hello traders, good evening all. Hope you all doing good. Risk disclaimer, all information on this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to provide any financial advice. Any statement about profits or income expressed or implied does not represent a guarantee. So with that, let's see what happened on Nifty and Bank Nifty today and what is likely to happen for the new series tomorrow. So basically our reference level for a market going bullish is only above this, okay, and on downside the reference level was 10,160 level, this VPOC level, okay. So these are the zones where I mentioned if there is a rejection here we can look for some short, okay. So exactly on first test market reacted at 10,350 level, okay, it rejected. On the pullback it was a beautiful short for developing POC, okay. So a neat 70-80 points been here, okay. Again second time also it done the same thing, but it couldn't cross much above that, okay. So this level played very well, okay. So going forward this will act as a reference level for bulls, okay. On Bank Nifty it did the same thing. We mentioned 21,550 is the level, okay. There was a beautiful bearish rejection happened here. On the pullback it was a short, and again it also tested that developing POC, okay, and also the VWAP, below VWAP. So basically these are all the zones where you can look for low risk entries. That's why if you see all my levels which mentioned on trade plans have a unique character, okay, and those are all levels generated by market profile charts, okay. As I mentioned previously, these are all where institutions will act, okay, and these are all zones where retails will act, okay. So keep that in mind. As I said, look for the best trade location, okay, that should be your number one goal, because here you can manage your risk properly rather than here, okay. Even 21,700 for that case, okay, this level, this zone, okay, that too acted very well. So for Bank Nifty, any bullish view to happen, okay. And see, lot of mails I got and lot of tweets I got that they had lost huge money playing expiries. So see guys, I will tell you, I mean, like, if you are a, okay, let me complete the weave. On the end of the video I'll talk this, okay. So Bank Nifty 21,800 and 900 is a reference level going forward, okay. For any bullishness to occur, okay, this zone should be crossed, okay, comfortably. On the pullback you can buy looking for 22,100, or even this time we can go hit 22,300 and 400 mark very easily, okay. In case if we break 21,500 and goes comfortably, okay, this price can fall heavily. This can test 21,100 and even 21,800 this time, okay. So on higher level I'm giving you a broader picture here, okay. On Nifty again the same case, 10,400 need to be crossed. Any strong push above 10,400, on the pullback you can buy looking for 10,500, and even this VPOC of 10,560 likely to get tested, okay. On the other hand, if we break 10,250, okay, If we break 10,250, then we can get easily a 100-point trade for 10,150 target zone, or 160. Okay, for that case 90 points. Okay, so always allow the price to short sign. For me, this trade till this and this, it's a no trade. I mean, no big trade. Okay, if I'm a conservative player, till 10,250 to 10,400, okay, I don't play anything. Okay, I'll be a spectator. This is a broader picture. On new series starts. Okay, tomorrow onwards, I guess Bank Nifty lot size had been changed to 25. Make a note of it. I always don't play on first day of the series. Okay, I allow the price to auction. I understand what is their intention. Okay, so always first day is a watch day for me. Okay, most of the times, until unless I find some very good trending opportunity, I won't go and trade it. Okay, I will watch how they are betting their positions. Okay, because first day is very important to keenly watch it out. Okay, that's it for here. And today we got ICICI again a short trade here at 353 mark. Okay, for developing value area low test. Okay, I mean basically the previous day low test. Okay, this was a low risk trade, we got it. Okay, so apart from that, we don't find any opportunity. Kotak Bank was a long, but I was a bit bearish bias to take only the short trade because of yesterday's auction, so I didn't gone for any kind of bullish trade. Okay, yeah, Kotak was a good long. I mean, like to me, when this rejection happened here, this was a good long, but I didn't play it out. I mean, like as I said, I always go with the broader market view. Okay, if I feel Nifty is bullish, I go and look for long stocks. If Nifty is bearish, I look for short stocks. Okay, coming back to people, lot of people send me mails. I had lost my capital. I had lost due to options, on especially on expiry days. See guys, options, again I'll tell you, it will make you to bet cheap. Okay, with huge quantity, but you need to be very nimble with your risk management. See, we been brought up like this. Okay, going for cheaper. If you go to a shop, you look for where is the I mean, like discounts, where are the cheaper prices. If I say for Clash, okay, 30,000, oh my god, 30,000 for damn Clash, you are charging big. See here, your mindset is not a rich mindset. Okay, again this is for example. Okay, I don't say go and pay 30,000 on join a course, that until unless it is usual. I'm not saying that, I'm just saying, giving you an example how your mind acts. Whatever your mind acts, it will act in every domain, it will act on the same phase. Okay, and same level. So here we are mostly inclined to discounts. Okay, we look for cheaper things, we look for what to say, I mean, like kind of free things. You see, people never value any free things. Okay, I mean, people run for few things, free things. Jay, can you give your call straight free? Everyone is giving. Yeah, fine, go and take it. Because when something is given free, there is no due diligence. I can just go. If you make loss or profit, I don't mind. If it is given free, there is no worth in it. And that mindset you are putting here, you want to buy options cheaper. So you bet, your mind will think, hey, let's buy for 20 rupees, let it go to 200. What will happen? So that mindset again you will play time to time. See this trade, for example, from 20 or 17 it went all the way to 245. Do you think anyone played this move completely? So what your monkey mind will do is, your monkey mind will keep on thinking, hey, 20 rupees to 240, man, 10x. Next time what you will do is, you will buy 1000 quantity of 20, where this 20 will go for 0. Yeah, people can argue, let me bet 10 times, but again I will tell you, second time when it works from 20 to 40, if it goes, you will cut it off. Third time when it goes to 40, you will think, last time from 40 it went to 140, let me keep it. From 40 it will go to 0. So here you need to be very, very nimble. See, option moves are something very mathematical, okay? That's why I mean, like, you can win in futures, then options. You can win in cash, then options. Options, you need some sort of different studies, okay? Even a seasoned trader will make loss in options, okay? He know when to trade it. So my advice would be, take a break. Almost, as I tweeted, this year, half of the year is over, still you couldn't make money, something is wrong. Stop it. First stop trading. If you can't make money, just keep on bringing new capital doesn't make you money. Something is wrong, right? If you can't make money with one lot, how can you make money with 10 lots? No, right? Something fundamentally wrong. Learn the art. Let it take even a year. Learn the art. Once you learn it, once you know how to make 100 points out of one lot per month, then you can straight away trade 100 lots also, because you know the process. You will be more drive towards process. You won't be thinking of outcomes, okay? So that's the rant for today. Have a great day, guys, okay? So catch you all on next episode, okay? This is 25th episode. I don't know, I mean, like, I just started like that. 25 episodes are gone. Hope you people like it. If you like it, kindly share and subscribe, okay? Also, just pass on to your trading friends, let them also enjoy, okay? And rate it, okay? So that's it, guys. Happy weekend. Take care, stay safe. Bye all. As always, respect risk, protect your capital. That should be your number one goal as a trader. Bye. Catch you all on next episode. Bye.